If you've spent years building your savings, your home, maybe even a business, here's a real question. What's protecting it? Because it doesn't take much. A lawsuit, a long term care event, something unexpected, and all of a sudden, what you built is exposed. I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about asset protection trusts, what they are, how they work, and why they can be such a powerful part of your plan. At a basic level, an asset protection trust is a legal structure where you move assets out of your personal name and into a trust. But why does that matter? Because once those assets are no longer legally yours, they can be much harder for creditors, lawsuits, or other claims to reach, assuming everything is set up properly. And that's the protection piece. Now, for a lot of families, this also ties into long-term care planning. There's a specific type called a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust. And when it's done the right way, it can help you qualify for Medicaid benefits while still preserving assets for your family. But timing matters here. There's a look back period, and this is not something you want to wait on. Another benefit is control over how your assets pass. Instead of assets going outright to beneficiaries where they could be spent quickly or exposed to their own risks, a trust allows you to set the rules. You decide how and when those assets are used. There's also privacy. Assets in a trust avoid probate, which means your affairs don't become part of the public record. And the biggest benefit probably is the peace of mind, knowing that what you've built is protected and that your family is going to receive it the way you intended. That's a big deal. And let me say this kind of planning is not just for the ultra wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to be intentional about protecting what they've worked for. If you're thinking about putting protections in place, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you understand your options and build something that actually works for your situation. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Hope you enjoyed.